Okay guys, welcome back. I'm gonna be making some barbecue chickens for Mother's Day, barbecue chicken legs. And what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna season very quickly the chicken legs with pepper, sazon, put them over here. Pepper, sazon, garlic, and what else? And oregano. Okay, it's going to be nice and quick. And then I'm going to put it in the oven to cook for about, let's see, maybe 45 minutes. Then I'm going to take them out and add the barbecue, then put them back in to continue cooking the barbecue sauce, and that'll be it. Easy peasy. If you're new to the channel, welcome. Just wanted to bring you this quick recipe. I'm trying to find my tongs because I really don't want to touch the chicken. Don't want to use that either. Let's see what I have here. Because I have to be cleaning my hands over and over again every time I have to get a container. All right, so we're gonna add the garlic first. And happy Mother's Day to everyone out there. I hope you're enjoying this beautiful day. Over here it's a little rainy. Okay, we're in New York. Okay, I'm just going to add all of this. These are 4 crushed garlic cloves. All right, let me just rinse my hand because I already touched the garlic. All righty. So we put the garlic in there. Okay, then we're going to add our sazon. And the sazon is primarily for color. The oregano. Alright, and we're going to stir that. Make sure everything is evenly seasoned. I think it's going to need a little bit more oregano. Okay, and like I said, after this is done, I'm gonna take them out of the oven and then add the barbecue sauce. Coat them in barbecue sauce, and any barbecue sauce you use is fine. It doesn't have to be any particular barbecue sauce. Okay, and then that's it. Okay. Alrighty. Okay, and I've got my pan here. Get rid of this. And the pan, I coated it with a little bit of olive oil. And I'm going to pour some olive oil, drizzle a little bit of olive oil over the chicken also. Again, I'm trying not to touch the chicken because I don't want to be washing my hands back and forth. Don't want to make the video much longer than it has to be. Alrighty, and again for Mother's Day, I've already made a cheesecake, ricotta cheesecake. So I made that yesterday evening. Today I'm gonna just do the chicken legs. I'm gonna make some rice, and I'm also going to make some. What else am I gonna make? I'm trying to think. Oh, something with potatoes. I'm not sure yet. I wanted to make stuffed potatoes with ground meat, but I don't think that's gonna work out. I'm running low on time because there's other things that I still have to do. But might just have to. Can't even make potato. Maybe I'll make mashed potatoes. That might be nice. Might have to settle for fries, but we'll see. Okay, and then I'm going to drizzle a little bit of olive oil over that. So it's going to go in the oven for 375 for about 45 minutes. Because I want it to be very tender. Okay, there you go with the olive oil. Okay guys, that's it. We'll see you soon. And also, I didn't add any salt, but I will add a little bit. I'm sprinkle a little bit on top. Again, salt to taste, and we'll be back. Okay guys, so we're done with our barbecue chicken legs. Here they are. Okay, look how beautiful they are. They're nice and tender. See how tender they are? They're falling apart. Some of the chicken is coming off there. All right, so all we did was put them to cook in the oven with the seasonings for about an hour. I left them a little bit longer, so they got really tender. You see this one over here, chicken totally came off the bone. So this one is totally coming apart. Okay, and then after it cooked, the water that it lets out, we just removed it. And then we put some barbecue sauce all over the chicken. And this is sweet honey barbecue sauce. Okay, and that's all we did. And then we let it cook a little bit longer, uncovered in the oven until the sauce dried up a little. And this is what we have. Okay, thanks for coming, guys.